This is going to be the best birthday surprise party ever!
You know it! All of Ruby's friends from Sparkton Hills will be here.
And Sammy's making Ruby's most favourite ice cream cake.
Perfect party. Wait, what are we missing? Of course! An epic dance floor. Now everything's set to make Ruby's surprise party perfect. Now let's go see how Sammy's coming along with that cake.
All right! Gosh, am I glad to see you two! The power's out, and without power, Ruby's ice cream cake is gonna melt!
No!
Don't worry, Liam. No ice cream cake is going to melt on my watch. I know! We can use Whirly's super freezer attachment to keep the cake cold until the power's back on.
Oh, I love it!
Let's get the freeze on, Whirly. Blow that cold air down. Okay, time for the cake.
Ruby's gonna be so surprised!
Shh! It's Ruby!
Hi, Rusty.
Hi, Ruby.
Wait till you see how super cute these baby turtles are.
They're really adorable. And I'm glad you got to see them. What a great birthday you're having.
Wait, are you shivering?
Yeah. It's just got really cold here.
Huh, strange. Anyway, we're heading back soon.
No! I mean,
Don't worry, we have lots more pictures to take.
Great. Well, see you soon. Ish.
Phew, that was close.
We'd better get back to the beach.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.